So here's a quick overview of the WP Leads machine. The main idea is to capture leads by asking people to enter their email address in exchange for getting the article in PDF format. The article could be a post, page, or anything in your WordPress site. Right, so you have three options here. You can display inline with a call to action, or in a pop-up. So for example, with inline, let me refresh this. You will see this on every post or page that you select, right? So after the article, this will appear autopilot, and then when people enter their email address and submit, you capture the lead, and they are sent the email, the PDF version of this article, right? And then the lead is stored in your WordPress site, right? So it could be inline with call to action, or for example, pop-up, right? With pop-up, you get three different styles. You can preview here. Let me just save this. And we're going to test the pop-up here. I will refresh the page, and you get the call to action here. And again, this is here, so this is all configured. You can configure everything, submit, and then this is converting this post to PDF and emailing it to the user. All right. So you have some settings you can configure. You can appear at the bottom of the article, the top of the article. You choose. You can configure all the text here, the colors, the message you show to the user, everything. You can decide if you want to ask for email only or name plus email, and some other settings. Right? You can decide to show on post pages or the post types, or if you say show everywhere, it will display everywhere in your site, etc. You can configure the email settings, the from, the name, email, subject, and the text that the user receives. Right? And finally, some PDF settings here. You can configure if you want to make the initial page like a title page with the title of the post. You can do this intro text, and then text gets added to your PDF, the PDF that the user gets. And you can choose if you want to display images from the post or just text here. All right. So when the visitor enters the email address here, all the leads are stored here, all right? And you can get all the info per post. So you know this post today got 5 leads, and this post today got 1 lead. You can download, export leads to PDF or CSV format. You can download all leads, etc. Right? Also, you get some stats here, and you get the total here of how many impressions the form got, conversion rate, and you can see the same thing per post, right? So you know which posts are getting better conversions and which ones are getting you visitor interested, and so on. So again, you can capture leads here, you can configure everything, and here it goes. All right. We also have a pro version here, which has some extra settings, like you can display also inline or call to action, but this can be a button or a link. All right, so you can configure everything here. You get also more pop-up styles with the basic versions. You get 3, here you get 10 different pop-up styles here. Let's make it in line with TTA. All right, so again, it can be a button or a link. You can decide with the pro version, you can decide to redirect after the user enters their email address. You can decide to redirect to your own page of your choice or not. You can add a social share button, so after they enter the email address, they pop to share the page or post. And again, you can choose just to ask for email or name plus email. Right, here you have more, in the pro version, you have more options. You can decide if you want to just showing specific posts or pages, only in this one, or different categories, or if you want all posts, it would show only on this post, etc. All right, email sizing is the same. PDF, here you can add your own logo here if you want, and you can add a link to the article in the PDF at the bottom of the PDF. Also, with the pro version, you get autorespond integration, all right? So you can decide to store it as local in WordPress, like we showed before, or aside from storing WordPress, you can add it to your own autoresponder list, all right? So you get to choose which autoresponder and which list they add it to. Finally, you get some reporting. If you enable it, you get an email report on the leads that you have collected. All right, so let me show you quickly the save setting here. And we're going to refresh here. So again, you can see there's a button here, enter your email address, submit, and let's see the user is prompted to share this on social media. All right, so again, this could be inline, could be a pop-up, or could be, yes, inline, like we saw. Right, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye.